Numbers are all around us. From the time we wake up in the morning to the time we go to bed at night, we are constantly using numbers. But have you ever stopped to think about the magic of numbers? The secrets of mental math that can make calculations faster and easier. For many people, math can be a daunting task. But what if I told you that there are simple tricks and techniques that can make math a breeze? In this video, we will explore the magic of numbers and the secrets of mental math. We will show you how to do calculations in your head without the need for a calculator or pen and paper. So, get ready to unlock the power of numbers and discover the secrets of mental math. The camera zooms in on a series of numbers written on a whiteboard. One of the secrets of mental math is the ability to recognize number patterns. By identifying patterns, you can quickly and easily solve complex calculations in your head. For example, take a look at this sequence of numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. What do you notice? That's right, the pattern is that each number is 2 more than the previous number. By recognizing this pattern, you can quickly determine the next number in the sequence. The next number in the sequence is 14. By recognizing the pattern, you can solve this problem in seconds without the need for a calculator or pen and paper. But patterns aren't just limited to simple sequences. They can also be found in more complex calculations, such as multiplication. For example, take a look at this multiplication problem, 12x24. What do you notice? That's right, the pattern is that the first number is doubled and the second number is halved. By recognizing this pattern, you can quickly solve the problem in your head. The answer is 288. By recognizing the pattern, you can solve this problem in seconds without the need for a calculator or pen and paper. So, by recognizing number patterns, you can unlock the power of mental math and make calculations faster and easier. The camera zooms in on a whiteboard with the number 9 written on it. Another secret of mental math is the rule of 9. This rule can help you quickly determine the sum of any two-digit number. Let's say you have the number 37. To find the sum of the digits, you simply add 3 and 7. The sum is 10. Now, subtract the sum from 9. The answer is 9 minus 10, which is minus 1. But we don't want a negative number, so we add a 1 in front of the 0. The final answer is 63. By using the rule of 9, you can quickly determine the sum of any two-digit number. Let's try another example. Say you have the number 56. Add 5 and 6 to get 11. Now, subtract 11 from 9. The answer is minus 2, but we add a 1 in front of the 2 to get 44. The sum of the digits in 56 is 11, and 9 minus 11 is 2, so the final answer is 44. By using the rule of 9, you can quickly and easily find the sum of any two-digit number, making mental math faster and easier. The camera zooms in on a person holding a calculator. While mental math can be a powerful tool, it's important to remember that sometimes estimation can be just as useful. For example, let's say you're at the grocery store and you want to estimate the cost of your items before you get to the checkout. Instead of adding up each item on your calculator, you can use estimation to get a rough idea of the total cost. Start by rounding each item to the nearest dollar. So, if an item costs $3.49, round it up to $4. If an item costs $1.99, round it down to $2. Next, add up the rounded prices. This will give you a rough estimate of the total cost of your items. While this estimate may not be exact, it can give you a good idea of how much you'll be spending at the checkout. Estimation can also be useful in more complex calculations. For example, let's say you need to multiply 25 by 36. Instead of using a calculator, you can estimate the answer by rounding each number to the nearest 10. 25 rounds up to 30, and 36 rounds down to 40. Now, multiply the rounded numbers. 30 x 40 equals 1200. While the exact answer is 900, the estimated answer of 1200 is close enough to give you a good idea of the answer. By using estimation, you can quickly and easily get a rough idea of the answer to a math problem without the need for a calculator or pen and paper. The camera zooms in on a person holding a pen and paper. Now that we've explored the secrets of mental math, let's put it all together and see how it works in practice. Let's say you need to solve the problem 27x16. Instead of using a calculator, you can use mental math to solve the problem quickly and easily. Start by breaking down the problem into smaller, more manageable parts. For example, you can break down 27 into 20 and 7, and 16 into 10 and 6. Next, multiply the smaller parts together. So, 20x10 equals 200, 20x6 equals 120, 7x10 equals 70, and 7x6 equals 42. Finally, add up the smaller parts to get the final answer. 200 plus 120 plus 70 plus 42 equals 432. By breaking down the problem into smaller parts and using mental math, you can quickly and easily solve complex calculations in your head. Whether you're at the grocery store, in the classroom, or at work, the secrets of mental math can help you make calculations faster and easier. So, start practicing these techniques and unlock the power of numbers and the magic of mental math.